Kia ora, ko Amorangi Wikaira tōku ingoa. Ki te tau tōku mama no Waikato Taunui, ki te tau tōku papa no Konei. So my job as a team member, there's two parts of our mahi that we do. We have the weed control, and so when we first started our mahi, we did a few weed control around the area before we could go into our possum control. Part of our possum control, we go up the bush and we do a lot of track cutting, and those track cutting will be for where we put our possum traps. Key learning will probably be picking up as much information as I can and learning as much as I can of my older cousins, the uncle, and to be able to share that knowledge of the younger generation as I get older. Because it affects our native trees and our native bush, and yeah, it will be really nice to see our forest nice and healthy and rid of all the pests, and just to see native birds flying around. That would be the dream, yeah. Seeing a lot of native birds flying around and just having our ngahere looking nice and healthy, all our native trees looking like how they should be and not like scratched up from possums or scratched from the pig tusk, or just all the pests that can do the damage. They do it pretty good, eating the native leaves and killing trees right off, and yeah.